Merba sbieħ tiegħi, jiena miżġula hekk nitalmu nieħdu gost flimkien. Kif intom illum għandi ktieb vera sabiħ għalikom tfal. Ktieb bl-Ingliż imma huwa wieħed mill-aktar kodba favoriti tiegħi. Qabel nibdew, tafu x'ħanajdilkom vera tfal. Afsu subscribe, kif ukoll afsu dil-qampina, ħalli kull darba li jiena ntella video ġdid intom tkunu dejjem notifikati, okay? L-istorja li se naqraw illum jisimha Ellie and Elvis. L-istorja hija pubblikata minn Bloomsbury u huwa miktub minn Vivian French u Michael Terry. Issa tfal kif tafu meta tkun storja bl-Ingliż jiena ma nibqax nitkellem bil-Malti ġista naqleb bl-Ingliż u ġvera tfal. Dan iktib vera sabiħ, joġobni ħafna ħafna. Ellie and Elvis were best friends. They both liked bananas. They both loved oranges, can you see? And they both adored dancing under the light of the moon. Whee! Have some of my banana, Ellie, said Elvis. Thank you, Elvis, Ellie said. And do have some of mine. Rajtom tfal kemm iħobbu jaqsmu flimkien. They both like sharing. Can I peel your orange for you, Elvis? Asked Ellie. Elvis bowed. As long as you let me give you the biggest slice, Ellie dear. They're such good friends. How beautifully you dance, Ellie, Elvis said admiringly. Look at her dancing. There she is, she's dancing. Ellie smiled. How handsome you look when you twirl, Elvis. He looks handsome. But then, one day, things went badly wrong. What's going to happen? Ellie saw Elvis hiding a brown paper bag full of bananas behind the bush. Look, can you see? He's hiding bananas behind the bush. Do you think she's happy? And when she went to look for them later, they were gone. He must have eaten them all by himself, she thought. Elvis is greedy. I think they're going to fight. I have a good feeling. Elvis saw Ellie placing a big string bag of oranges in the crook of a branch. Can you see? That's the crook of a branch. There. And when he went to look for them later, they were gone. She must have eaten them all herself, he thought. Ellie is selfish. Oops. When they were dancing that night, Ellie was thinking so hard about the bananas that she trod on Elvis' toes. She stepped on his toes, okay? Elvis was thinking so hard about oranges that he twirled too quickly and knocked Ellie over. Elvis, Ellie said as she picked herself up. I don't want to dance with you anymore. That's all right with me, Elvis said in a huffy voice. I don't want to dance with you either. Don't then, snapped Ellie. I won't, grumped Elvis. Ooh, 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 ooh. They're fighting. Awkward. Ellie went off to be by herself under the coconut tree. And so did Elvis. They sat back to back and they didn't say a word. Then, what's going to happen now, children? Plop! A banana skin plopped onto Ellie's head. Plop! Splat! A half-sucked orange splattered on Elvis' toes. Ellie and Elvis looked up. And they saw... What did they see? What did they see? Let's see. Mr. and Mrs. Monkey and 7 little monkeys having a feast in the coconut tree. Those are my bananas, shouted Elvis. I bought them as a present for Ellie. And those are my oranges, yelled Ellie. I bought them as a present for Elvis. Finders keepers, shouted the rude little monkeys, and they threw banana skins and orange peel all over Ellie and Elvis. Look what a mess. Oh, Elvis, said Ellie, I'm sorry. I thought you'd eaten all those bananas by yourself. Oh no, Ellie, Elvis said. They were all you. He waggled his trunk and went rather pink because he was blushing. I'm sorry too. I thought you'd eaten all those oranges. Ellie gazed at him admiringly. They were all for you, dear Elvis, she said. Ellie, said Elvis, let's dance. Elvis, said Ellie, I will dance with you forever and ever and ever. Sometimes they stopped dancing to eat a banana or two, or an orange, and they always made sure that their bananas and oranges were very, very safe. Do you think they're safe, children? The bananas and the oranges? Or did they? The monkeys went to steal them again. Naughty monkeys. Ħanaqleb għal-Malti issa. Tfal taħseb li tajjeb nagħmlu li aħna forsi niġġudikaw lil xulxin. Niġġudikaw. Jiġifieri naħsbu li xi ħadd mhux bravi jew le mingħajr ma nkunu nafu x'ġara u ma ġarax. Għax daw waħlu f'xulxin mhux vera tfal meta ma sabux il-banana u l-arinġ. U taħsbu li aħna rridu nisirqu l-affarijiet li mihomx tagħna. Le mhux vera, jien naf li tafu. Tfal, grazzi ħafna tal-li rġajtu rajtu storja oħra u jien narakom il-ġimgħa d-dieħla, okay? Bye. Bil-ħar. Tinsewx tagħmlu like. Like. Merħba sbieħ tiegħi.